Hi, welcome to another TouchSales video. Okay, so in the previous video, we have initialized the app with one of the cloud profile. Also, we do the synchronize all data into this device. So make sure you have watched the step 4 video before you start with this step. Alright, so just log in. Then, okay, so here there are view models. Okay, so there's a catalog, customer items, and so on. Okay, so maybe we can check customer and items first. So okay, so I open the customer module. Okay, so this customer module is basically all of the customer that you have from your accounting system. So it's been synchronized into this iPad. Okay, so you can see the details by tap on it. Alright, so from here you can see the address as well. Right, then another details about it. Then from here you can sort by name. Okay, also sort by code and other things. And also there's a search bar where you can find it faster. You can search by customer code, name, or phone. So let's try like Nika. Okay, then only click tap on search button, then right, sorry. Okay, here we go. So this is the list of the customer that have Serba Neka. Alright, so that's all for the customer module. Then we can go back and see another module, which is items. So items is also same thing as customer, but here from the top you can see there's more search function where you can search by item name, item number, or search by price, or filter it by category and the group. Alright, so let's say I search for, let's search by item number. Okay, so I search by K56K. Okay, wait. Alright, Z56K. Okay. Alright, so here we go. Alright, then you need to tap on the reset button to clear all the filter. Then it will show you all the list again. Alright, so here is name, item number, on hand quantity, and so on. And here also you can sort it, just like tap on the name button, then it will sort by the name. Alright, so that's all for the item list module. So just go. Alright, so another module that I want to show you is catalog. So basically catalog consists of 3 modes, which is sales order, cash sales, and browse mode. So browse mode is actually like if you want to browse the product first, then only later you decide whether you want it to be a sales order or cash sales entry. Okay, so let's open the browse product. So in terms of the interface, actually it's the same with the other 2 modes. So just like the DN of the step will be a bit different. Say okay, so here is the catalog view. All the items is in a grid view. Then there are view buttons at the tops, like what we have in the previous module, that you can sort it by category, group. Also, like you can sort by item name, item number, price. Alright, then for the search by, you can search by item or price below, or price like more than what and whatever you enter in the search bar. Okay, so the search bar by default it will item name or item number. Alright, so for view as is actually for the customer list. So sometimes like when after you select the customer, then the item price will be different, which is it will follows the customer price. Okay, so that's it, but I will not select the customer from here. I will select it in another step later. Right, so let's say we add this just by tap on the plus button. Alright, so if you tap on the item, then it will pop up the item details. From here you can see all the details about the products. You can see the history, price, unit of measurement and everything. Then for the quantity, instead of like you tap a few times for the plus button, you can change it here like 5, then click return. Alright, then you can also change the location. You can change either unit of measurement and also the discount. You can change it with the percentage or the dollar sign. Alright, so once done, don't forget to tap on the save button. Alright, then let's add another item into our cart. Okay, then tap on checkout button, then only we select whether we want it to be a sales order or cash sales. So let's say we select sales order, then it will open the sales order page. Okay, from here you can change or you can select your customer, or basically you can edit all the details about the products before you confirm. Alright, so you can change the currency as well, or you can change the date if you are allowed to, but okay, in this case I don't have permission to change the date of this order. Alright, from here you can change the discount, the tax, also you can put remarks. Alright, then here you can like email or print with, okay, let's say we just like save it now. Okay, you can save as draft, save, or save and synchronize. Save as draft, then let's say later you want to do a synchronization, then it will skip the one with draft status. So if you click save, then you haven't synced it yet, then later when you click sync, it will sync all this kind of transaction. Then if you click save and synchronize, then it will sync straight away. Then for this case I will like save it only. Alright, okay, that's it. Now we back to our main menu again. Okay, so let's open another module here, which is cash sales. So cash sales is basically the same as sales order, just only that you can straight away make a payment there instead of do it later. Alright, so this is the cash sales. Once you open, then you can select your customer. Alright, then you can select the item that you want to add. Okay, here also like you can search by item, category, group, and so on. So let's say I want to, okay, also you can like filter it. Okay, let's say I want to price, to sort the price. Okay, so I click add. Alright, then once done, like you tap on the item, then it will open the details here. You can change the quantity from here. Then alright, it only has one UOM, so you can change it. Then okay, I click save, so we'll update. Alright, if I want to put discount, I can put it here. You can put the discount in the total, or I can put the discount on each item. Right, in this case I will put it here, which is like 5%. Alright, then from here you select the payment, or you can, okay, I will show you another, which is if you click on others, then you can put a comment. Let's say VIP customer. Then also if you have a discount or a promotion, other things, then you can show, it will show up here. But in this case there is no promotion and product bundle, so I cannot show you from here. Alright, so once done, you click on the payment type, then click add. Then from here you can select whether the payment type is cash, check, or the credit card. So let's say credit card, then the amount will be automatically inserted. Then you can put the card number, let's say 1245235. Then alright, then name, let's say freeze, okay, then IC number, okay, then let's say click save. Alright, then all the details will be saved there. Please make sure the total payment amount is either is same or greater than the net amount here, otherwise then you cannot save it, you cannot proceed with another step. Alright, so here is like save, done. Alright, so another module that might be useful for you is a reports module. So reports module, currently we only have one type of report, so it's a stock quantity. So let's open it. Then from here, like you need to select the filter at the top first, then only you can search. So in here, like grid, we select, we want to show this item that have greater than, they have quantity greater than 0. Then we also want to show all the category and the group. Then here, like click search, then okay, then it will show all the list of the item that have a quantity greater than 0. Okay, so from here you can click print or you can email. Okay, that's all. Then you can back to the report list, then so you can straight away back to the main menu. Right, so for the synchronization, I think I already showed you in the previous video, so I will not show you again here. Okay, so then the next thing is settings. Alright, so for the settings page, if you select about, then you can see the version of app that you are using. For in this case it's version 5.15, and you can see our company details. Right, then another thing is general. In this general settings, then it's actually like you can see the default settings and the printer settings, so you are able to change it in these settings. For the printer, especially for the PDF template, so you can change the header from here. And then next, but okay, don't forget to update every time you change something, otherwise then the changes will not be applied. Right, next is this is the sales order settings. You can change the sales order number, the length, the location, and also for the template PDF you can change the title and so on. Right, then this is cash sales, same as sales orders. Then for the security, this one is a bit special because only a selected salesperson that can see this page. So this one is like based on our backend settings. So in this case, because I open it, so I can see in the app, otherwise then this one will be hidden. Alright, so in here, like you can show the module control, you can set which module that you want to show up in this app. Alright, then also such other things that you can back up your database as well. And you enable to change the SO, you enable free quantity and price control. Alright, then another is like purge transaction. So in this case, like if you want to remove the transaction, instead of remove it one by one, you can simply select from here to the date from that too, and also the transaction type. Currently we only support for sales order and cash sales. Right, then click remove, then it will simply remove all the transactions. Then another thing is like printer. This printer is actually for our mobile printer. So because like we support this Bluetooth printer for our cash sales, so you can settings, I mean like first time you want to connect it into this iPad app, then you need to connect it from here. Then another thing is profiles. You are able to have more than one profile in this app as long as the email that being used is different. So you can also initialize another profile from this page. Alright, so that's all